Every year, my family skips Christmas gifts and lets the world be our present. And this year, it was Panama City, Panama, skyscrapers, slingshots, cooking classes, rooftop vibes, and a lot of surprises. Welcome to our Christmas in Panama. So here's the tradition. Every Christmas, instead of exchanging gifts, we exchange experiences. My family has officially outgrown presents. And honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way. This year's destination is Panama City, Panama, a city with the most skyscrapers in Latin America. It's more than Dallas and LA combined. And a fun fact, Panama has a huge community of US expats, especially military vets. Our Christmas Eve flight was packed. Holiday travel chaos. But as soon as we landed, our local contact was waiting on us in true Showtime travel style. We stayed at the Hilton Panama, full service, rooftop pool, spa, restaurant, and a nightclub with a casino next door. So basically zero chance of getting bored. The first night was chill. We settled in, then we turned the hotel lobby into a full-on photo shoot. I guess the lighting was perfect. Afterward, we were going to go to the Marriot Restaurant for our welcome dinner right inside the Hilton, but they were closed for Christmas Eve. So we had to try something new. We went to the JW Marriott and tried this nice local restaurant. It had amazing food, live entertainment, and it was a way to kick off the trip just right. So here we are, Christmas morning. Instead of opening gifts, we opened the throttle. We hit the city in our Slingshots. We went throughout the city checking out the sights and scenes. Later, we had one of my favorite parts of the whole trip, an Afropanamanian cooking class with Chef Dave. You gotta check him out. This brother literally welcomed us into his home. We made empanadas, coconut rice, seafood curry, just a full feast. After all that fun and excitement, on December 26th was our rest day. So we enjoyed the rooftop pool, some sunshine, city views, no agenda, no rushing, just laid back, cool vibes. Now later that night, we hit this restaurant called Filomena, a beautiful Italian restaurant close to the hotel. The concierge hyped us up to the maitre d' and they treated us like royalty. You're talking about amazing food and even better views. Next morning, we explored one of the 7 wonders of the modern world, the Panama Canal. I've read about it, but seeing it up close, a totally different experience. We watched the ship actually go through the locks. That single transit cost that company major money, but saves them weeks of travel time around South America. We visited historic neighborhoods, saw American-influenced architecture, explored Casco Viejo, and took in some of the best views in the city from Ancon Hill. For our farewell night, we went to Salvaje, and let me tell you, dinner is only half the experience there. Every 30 minutes, they do a full performance. And the ape costumes felt like the Planet of the Apes. Luxury edition though. Panama was everything. You're talking about culture, flavor, relaxation, adventure. Definitely one of our favorite Christmas trips. So tell me in the comments, what did we miss in Panama? I'm already planning my next visit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and travel beautifully. Remember, you deserve a luxury vacation. Until next time.